Guys, I'd like to go for a call option here. According to my trend demon strategy, the previous candle was a very good average size bullish candle, and also it get rejected from the yellow line. It doesn't have a very strong bias pressure, but it also get rejected from the yellow line. And moreover, our secret stochastic oscillator also indicating the market wants to go up. So without confirmation from the parabolic chart, according to our trading setup, I think the market will go up, and already it gone up. uh, yes guys, we are winning our trades, only 5 seconds remaining, and yes, we win this trade. I would like to go for another call option here, because this is, according to our trend demon strategy, this is the perfect signal. We got confirmation from the parabolic chart. Our secret moving average line, yellow line, is uh, moving towards upward direction, and also it is at the above of the red line. Also our secret stochastic oscillator setup also indicating the market wants to go up. So I think the next candle will go up, and only 20 seconds remaining, and I think we will win this trade as well. Guys, this market is moving with a very buyer's interest. So anyway, we win this trade. Let's wait for another perfect signal, and I hope from this level, guys, it will start a momentum here, because I checked the previous history, and from previous point there is a strong buyer's entry. So I think if we just zoom out here, we can see a zigzag momentum, a zigzag movement. So it is very much possible that from this level we can see a momentum. And guys, this is a yes. Yes guys, if this candle closes as a average size bullish or green candle, then I would like to go for another call option here. Only 4 seconds remaining. Yes guys, we win our trade, and I would like to go for another call option here. And I think guys, from this level market will go up, and it can start a momentum here. According to my strategy, I think the next 2 to 4 candle will be a bullish candle. And if we don't, as our stochastic oscillator is already at the overbought line, if we see a strong rejection from the sellers, then we will close our session. But as long as we see a average size candle, or I think this candle will finish as a spinning top type candle. If this candle finishes as a spinning top type candle, then I will go for another call option here. But if this candle closes as a bearish candle, then we will wait for another perfect signal or setup. Yes guys, yes, we win the trade, and I would like to go for another call option. Guys, just like I previously mentioned earlier, this setup is indicating that it can start a bearish momentum here. And also the previous candle was a spinning top type candle. uh, I'm not saying that it is a spinning top candle, but I said that it is a spinning top type candle. So I think the next candle will be, or this candle will be a bullish candle. But if we get a strong rejection from this level, then I will wait for another setup or signals. But I think we will win this trade as well. And if this is a small candle and average candle, then we will go for another call option here. Only 3 seconds remaining. Yes guys, I would like to go for another call option here. and I think this is the last candle, and from the next candle I see a seller's entry. So if we win this trade, we will close this session, because sellers are interested in this area. I think sellers are interested in this area, and they try to make a bearish candle, but still it get rejected from buyers. And according to our trend demon strategy, this will probably go up. And after 50 seconds remaining, 30 seconds remaining, and I think we will win our trade. If we win this trade, we will close this session, guys. Yes, we win this trade.